I have a day off and my hair is extremely warm, so I really wanted to tackle that today, and I wanted to do another toner review. So it's doing that kind of typical warm, blonde, brassy feeling that you get when you've gone to the salon and then you just haven't toned your hair for a little while afterwards. So I'm excited to try something with my hair being this level of blonde. I think it should be quite interesting. I have quite a range of different kind of shades in my hair, which is super frustrating. So there's my like blended root. Underneath that you can see it's a very dark, like I want to call that a level 7 blonde. It's very warm, and then it kind of goes into this lighter shade here. So I've got a lot of different shades of blonde. It's probably like 6, 7, 8 and maybe a tiny bit of 9 in my hair. It's just really frustrating. So we're going to tone it with this. This is the L'Oreal Paris. It's in the Pearly Boost shade. It's giving some really promising before and afters on the packet, and I'm not far off the before, which is kind of nice to know. In fact, I don't even think I'm as bad as the before. So we'll see how this goes. I really wanted to read this side part out to you because I think it's quite important to know about this product specifically, but it says, why an acidic toner? After undergoing a bleaching service, the pH level of hair becomes alkaline. This can lead to dull and porous hair. The new Preference Acidic Toner rebalances the pH level of hair to its natural range, preserving hair quality with nutrition and softness. So I just thought it was really important to know because it's giving other things. You know, they're trying the whole new different scientific process on this one. Okay, so what's in the box? We've got the toner cream, the developer cream, reinforcing conditioner, gloves, and instructions. So like most toners and hair dyes, we're going to mix these two together. Just in case you didn't know what these were, you have to take this little ring off and then you put the lid back on and twist it all the way down to puncture the film that's inside, and that's how you do those, and I really like these ones. So the good thing about this is that you apply it on dry, clean hair. Perfect. I always get frustrated when there's that extra step of having to wash your hair first and then applying it. I don't mind. Some of my favorite toners, you just have to do that step, but always appreciate when I don't have to. So with this one, basically it just says apply color to your roots first, and then you use the applicator to part your hair into small sections and apply it all on the lengths all over your hair. Basically massage it through and leave it for 5 minutes. Now I am going to be honest, I'm going to leave it for more than 5 minutes because I want results, and I totally don't mind if this overtones and goes darker for a little while, because then I really enjoy the process of when I'm washing my hair. It just subtly goes through the different tones until it goes back to kind of like this shade. So I'm all about that. I totally don't mind. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to brush my hair just so it's not too knotty before I start. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and start, and then I will time lapse it so you don't have to sit and watch me do this. And I start the 5 minutes from after I've applied it. So naturally this is going to be on my hair way longer anyway. I'm just going to like do this and then push it in. I want to do it around my face. Okay, and then I'm going to use the bottle to like part my hair. I just want to make sure I'm getting that whole top bit.
Using the nozzle on the bottle, I'm just using that to part my hair, applying the product as much as I can, but I always do worry that I'm never going to have enough product for my whole head, and I only ever have the one box, but promise you it does last the whole amount, especially for my length of hair. If you do have a lot longer hair than this, you will need 2 boxes. Leaving my hair in for the processing time, look at that, you can totally see it's toning, which clearly I'm stoked about. Once I washed the product out, I blow dried it, and look how much fresher it's looking. One thing I do know is once I straightened it, I felt like my hair was thicker, and then the cuticle had been closed up, like everything just felt so good and healthy.
And this is the final result. I've just been going around my whole house trying to figure out how to capture this light on camera, because look, if I get it into the other side of the room, it just gives like this yellow tone because the light's shining really badly on that side of the house. So if I come through to where the light's not interfering with the color on the phone, then look at this beautiful toned color. I am so impressed. I have not stopped touching my hair all day. I feel so much more normal not having yellow hair. A lot of the time I feel like I'm going, oh, blonde's not my color, why do I keep going blonde? I need to just start doing brunette. But I've got grey, so that's why I haven't. And I kind of like talk myself out of thinking I just don't suit blonde anymore, but then I tone it and I'm like, I love my blonde hair. But this one is just a really pretty, beautiful, kind of neutral beige shade. I think it is stunning. I left it on for 20 minutes. I'm going to be super honest, it was 20 minutes in the end. Not including the application time. So I'd say altogether it's like half an hour for some parts of my hair, which is why I like to start at the front and just any areas that are a bit more yellow than others, because naturally that's just going to have the product on a bit longer. But look at it. It feels super nice. It is really pretty, really pretty. I'm so happy. And what I do love about it, it was $23.99, I think, New Zealand. Obviously, the price is going to change from this when this video is published, and there'll be sales and all sorts. But I think for how impactful the color was on my tone of blonde, like it's just done such an incredible job. But to be able to put it on dry hair and for it to only be 5 minutes that you can get results from, I'm just like, that's kind of a win. It is a brilliant product, a brilliant result. The only thing is I do want to test how long does it last in my hair, so I will wash as normal and just see how long this lasts. I would say it's about 4 to 5 washes like the other ones that I've tried. I can't believe the difference in that side of the house. You can see if I turn, there's just extreme lighting. I'm just so impressed. I just like how my hair feels, and I feel so normal with this hair color. It just really suits me. So yeah. Anyway, I hope that video was helpful. If you use this product on your tone of blonde, please leave in the comments how it went for you and what your tone of blonde was, just to keep the conversation going, because it is so helpful for anyone that watches this, just to see what other people's hair, how it reacted and how it worked for you. But I'm just really stoked. I think, yeah, as I said, the result's beautiful, and I just like the fact that I could put it on dry hair. And it was only 5 minutes, but I did 20 minutes, so anyway. But yes, any questions, leave them down below. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I will see you in the next video.